Builders from around the world have spent countless hours, blood, sweat and tears for our moment of glory. This is the streets. This is
Road Warriors. Custom Diecast Racing.
Welcome back, Road Warriors. This is Season 3, and right in front of me are 22 custom vehicles heading into Season 3. There are 21 rounds in Round Robin this year. I wasn't going to do Round Robin, I was going to do double elimination. However, in Season 4 and 5, we will do double elimination. But Season 3, we stick with the old format of Round Robin. And what does that mean? That means your car is going to be punished. And if it breaks down, we do have another chance to keep racing, and that is Rent a Wreck. And we'll address that when we get to it. I personally don't think all your cars will make it through, so please be warned that your car may come back in pieces, because this is one of the grueling and most punishing road races right here on Mount Western Raceway I've ever seen. The racing format for Season 3 is going to change just a little bit. 2 cars will still go head to head, however, it will only be 2 races instead of 3 per 2 cars. If you're both tied and 1 win each, well, that's a win point for both of you. We won't go to the first car that wins 2. There's too much racing. And as this is a points-based system over 21 rounds, I don't think this will have too much of an effect overall. On the video production side of things, I'm going to really drop back on voiceover on this. I just want to focus on the cars racing. There'll be an intro and an outro, but really that's about it, because the cars are just going to go one after the other for 21 rounds. Also, there won't be any replays, and each round will probably run between 3 to 5 minutes. That's about it for now. I hope that really sits well with you guys. There's not much more we can do apart from that. Otherwise, this tournament will take around about 26 weeks to complete, and we can't have that. We have other tournaments that have been booked into Mount Western Raceway, and also the new build of the new track, which is now going to be pushed back again. So until next time, guys, we'll see you on the track very soon. Road Warriors, I'm really hoping to get a start, not this week, the week after. Until next time, catch you later.